If you understand, how's it going?
There we go. Sorry about that, guys. 1 second. So what I was trying to say before the mic was muted was we are going to be touring James E. Wagner. Sorry, I was setting up. That's why I'm 30 minutes late. And we're going to be leaving in about 25 minutes to go do that tour of James E. Wagner. So I just wanted to finish this live real quick. We'll do a real quick recap, see what's going on in the markets, and then we're going to head out because we got to do that tour and interview of James E. Wagner. Perfect. So we got this. Okay. 12:15. Got it. We'll be there like 12:20. Anyways, 360 risk up 6.5%. Not too many stocks in the green today, although James E. Wagner is up 2.3% in anticipation of the Departures Capital Tour. Just joking. What else we got in the red, guys? Tilt. Oh my gosh, Tilt's getting killed down to $1.80. FFT continues to sell off. Acreage Holdings, Alkaline Water. Oh, shoot. So we're going to take a quick look at Tilt. Tilt's retesting lows. Tilt was making a nice bounce until recently, and then it just continued to drop like crazy. Recent lows of $1.70. We'll see if Tilt keeps falling. Looks like it's in a downtrend. We'll see if it makes lower lows and lower highs, which it's been doing so far. It's not a good sign. That's all I got to say for Tilt. FFT down 3.85%. All right. So FFT can't catch a bounce. 52-week lows of, geez, what is this? 12 cents. Man, Wayland's another story. All right, so we're quickly going to browse new cannabis ventures just to see what's up. Green Growth Brands raises $61 million. Origin House sees Q1 revenue $11 million. Organigram to commence NASDAQ trading with symbol OG on May 21st. There's an interesting article. All right, let's see what's happened to Organigram recently. And the last thing I wanted to just touch on was the stock market. So we're in the red today. S&P down 0.29%, NASDAQ down 0.39%, and the Dow down 1.9%. Wall Street slumped on Friday as trade hopes waned after China's state-run media expressed impatience with how talks were going with the U.S. The S&P 500 fell 14 points. And it is meaningless for officials to meet without the U.S. showing its sincere accordance to TLRY notes, a WeChat blog run by the state-owned Economic Daily, seen as a mouthpiece for government opinion. So I'm going to pull up comments on my phone here. Perfect, there we go. Smash the like button, homies. Market recover was down 200 points. Anyone else still own Wayland? Yes, still own Wayland, unfortunately. What's up, Doug? Good morning, Doug. ACB about to buy MSO in the US. So, Wayland is a disaster. Down to 74 cents Canadian. I wonder if they can get bought out. Looks like their only hope right now. $279 million market cap still at these prices, though. Still a pretty big company. Wow. All right. So, let's see here. Chemistry Technologies is interesting here. Can you talk about Jim Cramer becoming Federal Reserve Chair? I keep buying on the dips to average down. Oh, man. One thing, just make sure not to pump too much money into... Just do your research on the company. Make sure not to pump too much money into the company or buy bigger dips, so buy less frequently. If you're already heavily invested in the stock that you're down, be a little more patient. Increase your time frame. That's what I would say, because you don't want to tie up too much money in one company. Tesla's going to zero. What the is InvestZins about? Tesla's going to zero. All right, so we've got Organigram to commence trading NASDAQ with symbol OGI on May 21st. The parent company of Organigram, a leading licensed producer of cannabis, is pleased to announce that its common shares will commence trading on the NASDAQ under symbol OGI on Tuesday, May 21st, which is next Tuesday. In conjunction with this NASDAQ listing, Organigram's common shares will become DWAC Fast eligible for U.S. shareholders. We are pleased to celebrate this significant company milestone. We are proud to have assembled a world-class team and facility that continues to deliver value to our shareholders. This listing will help us continue to demonstrate our commitment to dynamic growth. CEO of Organigram. Awesome. Don't worry, guys. Matt, sorry, I exposed you. InvestZins is my friend's channel, so don't worry, guys. I know him personally. I've known him for years. That's pretty funny, though. Find another bridge. So, guys, what else are you looking at other than Wayland? Unfortunately, I don't have any good news for Wayland. Wayland's just... I haven't sold any of my Wayland, and it's down very substantially, unfortunately. It's at the lowest that it's ever been. Right in and around 70, 75 cents. Bought more Ianthus. Hitty. That's a good one. High Tide. Very good stock so far. 42.50. Man, just bought this at 34 cents, so awesome. Great play on Canadian retail. Alexander Sweatnam, did you buy High Tide? And if so, at what price? Pretty bullish on High Tide right now. I thought it was one of the last attractive ones for me. ACB going to buy something soon. ACB, buy labs now, sell in 2020. Thoughts on ACB. What are your thoughts on Tide laundry detergent buying High Tide? I think it's great for them to put their branding strategies together. ACB swinging over the weekend. Plan 13 looking attractive. What do you think? Let's take a look at that one. Wait a sec. First, I just want to finish off this High Tide thing. So High Tide's got an $86 million market cap, still tiny company. But I do think Canadian retail has a lot going for it. It's just one of those sectors that has barely gotten started. The government held it back so much, so should be interesting to see what happens for High Tide. Planet 13. All right, so Planet 13 holdings down 4.31%. Planet 13's came off its lows or its highs like crazy. Planet 13, I would wait a little bit more, maybe till 250. Sorry, till to the low twos. 220, something like that. Planet 13's had a really nice sell-off. Bought 3,000 shares at 282. I own High Tide. Awesome. Let's see what Alexander said for High Tide. I want to see an updated 10 cannabis stocks between you, Rich, or other collabs. Awesome. Yeah, guys, I think so. That's a great idea. I'll do one. I'll get Rich and Hustler and maybe a few more people on board. We can do like a top 10 cannabis stocks. That's pretty interesting idea. I just interviewed Whiteboard Finance, Rich this week, Investing Hustler. I interviewed Market Moves with Matt this week, yesterday. First time I've ever talked to him on Zoom. It was a nice interview. So, yeah, we'll have that interview out very soon. Probably going to drop them all weekend long. So, some more interesting news for you guys. Sherbinsky's, I also read the news, man. Get some flack for it, but whatever. It's all good. So let's look at ACB real quick. I'm going to head out by 10:55. So we've got, we'll see, 7 to 10 more minutes left. ACB's up another percent. That's the third straight green day since their quarter. ACB's up on a red day, so this is good news. What do you think about Omega Health Investors? Give me the ticker. So ACB's gone green since their quarter, which is very interesting because a lot of us predicted that ACB was going to fall. All it's done is rally since. 69 live members. Yes, guys, my favorite number. Hit that like button. What about IQ? Go ACB. Oh, we were at 69 for a bit. Just annoying, and any negative thing you say. Oh, okay. Not in terms of other channels. I don't say anything negative, but everybody's allowed their own opinion when it comes to channels. And that's why there's so many different channels out there. You can pick and choose which ones you want to watch. But yeah. Okay. Omega Senior Living. Don't get me started, man. I get too excited when it comes to retirement home stocks. 1 second. Omega Healthcare. Oh, yeah, okay. Was this the one that dropped like crazy? My opinion, MedMen sucks. Hey, Doug, which one's better, Tilt or MedMen? I don't know, man. I own them both, but they're not doing too good. You guys are funny today. What's Tilt? Tilt's sorry guys. Tilt's tilting away to the downside today. Omega Healthcare Advisors. Interesting one. US traded stock, unfortunately, paying 7.5%. $7.8 billion market cap. This is not the one that tanked, but I'd have to do more research. Very good find. I like the yield Charts look good. Still looks... You know what? We're going to add this right away to our watch list. I'm taking this pick and running. I'm just kidding. OHI, though. Looks like a very interesting company. Thank you for that. I appreciate that. OHI. Omega Healthcare Advisors. All right, sweet. Thank you for that. Wait till May 30th till release a bomb earnings for reals. I hope so, man. Hey, is a free app buy? Oh, what's wrong with us stocks? Straight out of the special ed class. Trump is what's wrong. I'm new to this trading stuff. Who's Kelly? You guys are hilarious today. It's Friday. It's the weekend. I guess we're in the mood to joke. So, wow, guys, it's 10:52. We've got a little bit more time left. I just want to take a look at a couple other portfolios. Chartwell Retirement Residences in the green. Centric Health Corporation, biggest loser of that portfolio. Stocks to watch for 2019. Micron Waste Technologies actually doing something today, up 2.5 cents. Namaste. Up to 72 cents. Enbridge having a pretty good day. 48 North. Compass Gold, 10 cents down 3.7%. Alibaba's down 2.4%. Chinese tech's been getting killed. I still think that right now, if you're looking at, I would much rather buy Chinese tech than American tech. Still, even despite all this crap with the trade war. Okay, so we'll see what happens. I do think Alibaba is going to test support at around 170. Mind your wealth. How can you say... I read an article last night about how the trade war will bring about U.S. legalization, Chinese stocks getting cheap. Be sure to comb the alfalfa down before you go. Be sure to comb the alfalfa down before going to James E. Wagner. Yeah, man, don't worry. I'm going to redo my hair. That's funny. China says Biden will lose his... I'm the kind of person that I see them positive people. Yeah, guys, so anyways... Just to clear things up, everyone has their own opinion for everybody's YouTube channel. Me and Rich are good friends, and I just don't like hate, so that's not what we're here for. That's all. That's all I'm gonna say. There was this wave of like trolls roaming around all of our live streams. I'm not saying anyone's a troll, but I'm just saying... Let's try and keep it as positive as possible. Thanks. That's it. Thanks, man. Don't redo your hair. Thanks, bro. But no, I was just thinking of like spiking it up a little bit, shave the sides. Probably do like a mohawk. I'm just kidding. So anyways, the markets just went green. We're going to take a quick look at commodities, and then we're going to bounce because I got to get ready for this this interview / plant tour. If you guys want to follow updates on our tour, yeah. So this is one thing I can share with you guys. Gold, silver. So gold's getting killed again, down to 1276. Silver's down 1%, and crude oil's in the green. But if you guys want to follow our tour, go to my personal Instagram and follow me, because my story, you're going to see the live updates of the tour. We're going to be posting stories when we get there, all that kind of stuff. That's my personal Instagram. Just go ahead, follow me if you want. I'm not trying to self-promote, but I'm just saying, like, if you want live updates on the tour, you'll see it. It's all going to be there. Story mode. I'll be doing lots of stories at James E. Wagner. So, anyways, guys, that's it for today. What else was I going to say? Was there anything else? We'll drop a video, I don't know about later today. Might do a live stream, and then we'll do a live stream on Sunday, like we always do. So, anyways, guys, hope you have a good weekend. Good luck trading, and if you do trade. And yeah, and other than that, guys, who knows? We'll see you soon. Happy Friday.